In today's fast-paced world, managing a fleet isn't just about getting from A to B. It's about safety, it's about efficiency, and it's about control. For over 3 decades, AutoKontrol, a proud subsidiary of Scorpion Automotive, has been at the forefront of vehicle speed management. We're not just providers, we are market leaders. Every AutoKontrol unit is proudly designed and manufactured right here in our own state-of-the-art facility in Chorley, Lancashire. Here's an example of how our technology can save you money. By fitting AutoKontrol speed limiters to a fleet of just 10 vehicles, an operator could save up to £19,957 per year in fuel costs and reduce CO2 emissions by 36.9 tonnes, with even greater savings available for larger fleets. We are proud to be trusted partners for speed control for companies such as Network Rail, the NHS Ambulance Service, Balfour BT, Might-E, Navuna, Stellantis, VW Commercial Vehicles, and Toyota GB. With AutoKontrol, you get compliant installations every single time. AutoKontrol offers a comprehensive suite of features designed to meet your specific operational needs. Set speed. Precisely set the maximum speed for your vehicles, ensuring adherence to limits and company policy. Works with cruise control. Seamless integration with existing cruise control systems for driver comfort and continued efficiency. Reverse speed limiter. Enhance safety in tight spaces by limiting speed while reversing. Towing limiters automatically adjust speed limits when a tow bar is in use, promoting safer towing practices. And for even greater control, geofence options define specific zones where vehicle speed is automatically adjusted, ideal for depots, work sites, or urban areas. High idle units optimize fuel consumption even when stationary. Rev limiters protect engines from over-revving and reduce wear. Crucially, our hardware is anti-tamper, which ensures the system cannot be removed or overridden by the driver, providing you with complete peace of mind. The benefits of implementing AutoKontrol are clear and impactful. Fulfill your duty of care to your staff by actively promoting safer driving habits. Significantly reduce fuel consumption and costs by an average up to 21% and contribute to a greener future with less CO2 emissions. Reduce wear and tear on your vehicles, leading to lower maintenance and repair bills. Experience lower accident rates, protecting your assets and your reputation. AutoKontrol, delivering market-leading speed management solutions trusted by the biggest names and engineered for your ultimate safety, efficiency, and peace of mind. Take control of your fleet today. Visit autokontrol.co.uk to learn more.